Hello. Welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. How are you doing? I'm going to be making some simple, just some general soul chicken to go with some white rice for dinner tonight. I just realized in my freezer I have a little bit more chicken than I would like to, or Jade would like to, because she's going to start complaining. Mommy, I'm sick of chicken, you know, that kind of stuff. So I got to get creative with using up this chicken. I have quite a bit of boneless, skinless chicken breast. I found split breast, I found leg, I found all kind of chicken. I'm like, oh my God, how did this happen? So I'm going to be making some chicken for some time, get creative. So guys, here I have 4 nice boneless, skinless chicken breast. I've already soaked them in vinegar and water. I'm going to clean them up a bit more. And I'm going to cut these up in small pieces, and I'll come back and show you the sizes I've cut them in, okay? So just a moment. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm done cutting up the chicken. See, just bite-sized pieces. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, it's very simple. I'm going to add a little black pepper. Soy sauce. Add about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Again, you always want to use low sodium soy sauce. Just a pinch of black pepper. A pinch of paprika also. And let me get in here and rub this up really good. Okay. I started heating the pot here that I'm going to fry. Let me turn this up a bit more, and I'm going to add some oil to it before I move on to the next step. I have canola oil. You can also use vegetable oil. I'm sure I'm going to have to do that in like 2 batches. So I added 2.5 cups of oil in there so far. Alright, I need another bowl right now. I need this bowl right here. And to that bowl, guys, I'm going to add some flour and some cornstarch. I have here 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to do 1 cup of cornstarch. Again, this is gonna all depend on how much chicken you're doing. I feel like I have enough chicken for all of this. So again, if you don't have this much chicken, then you don't need that much. I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt to this and a pinch of black pepper. Okay, some other stuff I have prepared. I have red and green bell pepper. I have fresh garlic, about 2 cloves of fresh garlic. I have a bit of fresh grated ginger. And I have some red chili peppers. These are all for later. And I have brown sugar aside also. Were you able to get your father on the phone? Were you guys able to get him on the phone?
What? Oh, yeah.
Where did he go? For? So you guys gonna take one of the car? Are you guys gonna take one at the car?
He said no.
Because there's no gas in there either, right?
He said even if they put gas in it, no.
He did?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he doesn't feel comfortable that he's driving it.
But why would they put gas? Why not just put gas in Jordana's car?
That's what we were gonna do. But I guess he just likes for me to stay home all my life.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I swear, I can't wait for y'all to grow up and have your own damn kids and see what it's like, okay?
You were surprised he said no too, so.
You think every time y'all ask your parents for stuff, they're supposed to just jump and say, yeah. It don't work like that, okay?
Is that the shoes?
Oops. I'll come back when I'm frying the chicken. Okay, guys, we're gonna start frying up the chicken now. So I'm gonna just dip the chicken into the flour and cornstarch right here. Oh, man. I have to fry this up in batches. Okay, I will come back and show you once I'm done browning all the chicken pieces. Okay guys, our first batch is ready. We have a nice light golden color. I did this for a total of about 6 to 7 minutes. Flipping them halfway through, making sure each side get a nice little light crisp. Jade was to come down here now and see this. She would just want to get barbecue sauce, ketchup, or whatever, and just go to town. Now I'm gonna finish up the second batch, and I'll see you when the second batch is ready. Okay, guys, I'm back. Our second and final set of chicken is out, and as I took the last batch out, the first batch out, and I told y'all if Jade was down here, she'd be picking up this with barbecue sauce and whatever. He gave me a great idea for some more boneless, skinless chicken breast I have in the fridge for probably Friday or Saturday and make something fun with her. Okay, you better not fall off of this plate. Okay, I'm in one of those moods and I am not going to use a different pot, so I'm going to get creative, guys. I'm going to get this out of the way a second, and let's do this. Sometimes you just gotta make things easier for yourself. So now I do need a little bit of the oil. Okay, that's good. That'll really cool before I get rid of it. Now we are going to make our General Soul sauce. Okay, so into the oil, I'm gonna add the ginger and the garlic. The bell peppers are not a plus. I mean, it's not a, you don't have to. I don't know why the words don't come out my mouth. But I know my husband, and I did it for him. Oh God, I love the smell of that ginger. Okay, so to this I'm going to add red wine vinegar. Oh no, I don't have time to wait on you like that, so let's get you off of here, okay? I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'm choosing brown sugar. You don't have to. That's 2/3 cup of brown sugar. If you want to use white sugar, it's up to you. I have a thing for brown sugar. And now I need the soy sauce. For that much chicken. One and a half cups of soy sauce. I'm gonna add a smidgen of garlic powder. Let's flavor this up. Black pepper. And although I have the chili peppers I'm gonna put in here, I'm still gonna add a pinch of red pepper flakes. They love spice around here. I have some cornstarch slurry to thicken this up, and to make this I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. Let me add my peppers and my I'm just gonna add some chicken in here. I'm thinking I'm not gonna add all the chicken. I'm gonna leave a few pieces for Jade to have when she come home from school tomorrow. Can have with some barbecue sauce or whatever she chooses. Okay, that's good. For tomorrow. And That is also optional. Just put a few pieces of broccoli florets, what I found in the fridge. I found those in the fridge, so I just thought here's a good time to use them up. So guys, there you have it. Simple General Tso chicken. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Does that not look scrumptious, guys? Again, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate it. Thank you so much again. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. Enjoy. God bless.